All right, today we've got a repair for Kimberly Johnson at 3507 Queen Anne Drive in Clayton. The roof is 26 years old. You can clearly see the state of the roof is very poor. This is our wind damaged shingle we are going to be replacing. It's about 60 degrees out, and today is the 26th of March 2024. All right, I'm gonna use flat bar to take out the nails. Be as very careful as I possibly can because these shingles are very old. Right here, the nail has ripped through the shingle completely. All right, that's the lower four. Now let's get the upper four. Once again, the nail ripping through the shingle. Definitely some mat transfer going on. Alrighty, that is all 8 nails. Let's go ahead and remove the old shingle. You can already see failure points in the shingle. Let's go ahead and try and put the next one in. All right, I will be using a roof snake to put the nails back in to prevent from having to lift up the shingles too much. excessive degranulation as I'm hitting with the hammer. It's the lower 4 nails. Let's get the last higher 4 nails in. Roof snake won't reach up there. Nailing it back into these holes. It is just going straight through these ripped shingles. Alrighty. Do it again. So you can see shingle has torn here, torn here, torn there. Multiple failure points across the shingle. Creased here, creased here. This has failed to repair and is unrepairable.